Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. I just got in the Cougar and started and just literally letting it warm up. It's bone cold right now. It is currently like 31 degrees outside. It's only supposed to be 34. So right now I'm gonna go to Walmart. I ended up coming to Myers. It's got the same one. Ended up getting this one and it's 30% off. It's a good filter. I ran this one before. So I'm gonna be changing the oil in my 2000 f350. So now I got the oil filter. I'm gonna pop the dipstick off. I checked this earlier. It was full like that. It's a hair clean. It could go for another few hundred miles, but I want to change it. This has 137 and some change. It's almost 138. At least somewhat. Oh goodness. I swear I thought I put the number, or not the number, but the mileage, but it could have just rinsed away after a while. Yeah. 16. This thing's on tight. There we go. Whew, man. Let's get this oil filter off first. Some black oil. Yeah, Earl. Some black Earl on that thing. Let the oil filter, the oil drain out. Let that drain. It's warm. I started the truck up earlier, just want to see. Cleanish, but still dirty. Oh goodness. Look at all that black gold. Leave that here. Alright guys, had to change batteries. Damn libtard batteries for these damn GoPros.
That's just his.
Everything's tightened up. Yeah, it's finally, hopefully gonna dry up for the rest of the day. It's supposed to start warming up. Let's check the weather. 49 right now. 54 the high for today, but it just got done raining earlier when I was putting the drain plug back on. It was raining decent. So, yeah. Let me get something to stand on. I think I have a stool, a bucket, I don't know. Here's a bucket. The old trusty bucket. This is what I used to use back in the day working on my Tahoe. It's a good old Harbor Freight bucket. I get a towel, wipe all the schmooze off. Wipe the schmooze off there so we can start clean and fresh. I'm gonna do, let's see, which one's been opened? Yeah. Alright. We'll just use a whole new one. Or you know, no, we'll use the old one. Or the one that's open already. Get a more accurate reading, as you can see. And here we go. Putting all that good juicy oil in. 5W30. Premium full synthetic extended protection. See, that's a whole 5 quarts. I'm gonna let this sit down and drain. Dump all the good oil, all this used good oil back into the thing. That's all good oil. That's burning oil, and that's good oil for staining decks. the old truck bed, use this as a wood deck or even trailer decks. So now I got stuff ready. I forgot I had these lights on, but I get 2 tape measures. Back that. Got the good Earl in here. Double check, no Earl leaks. This took a second for that oil. That's what I was saying. You got to make sure you put some oil in that filter to circulate so it doesn't get a dry start. The worst of the worst, you know. Getting all this stuff. Sorry you guys didn't get to see the last clip when I got to try to review that and ended up jacking the truck up and took the wheels off, and I had to take the tire out to replace it. It was worn out, then I went to O'Reilly to get a new one, and it was cheaper than I thought it was going to be and faster. Got it same day. Then came home, got that done. Then on 12/31 of 2024, got it aligned in the morning this time. And I would just want to say Happy New Year's, guys, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.